guys, this is Olivia. Today I'm going to talk about Hangul, the Korean alphabet today. Then let's get started. There are 14 consonants in Korean. The first one is 기역. 기역. It looks like a gun. So remember the G sound. But sometimes it sounds like K as well. The next one is 니은. 니은. It looks like a nose. So remember the N sound. Then the next one is 디귿. 디귿. It looks like a door. So remember the D sound. Next one is 리을. 리을. It looks like a rattlesnake. So remember the R sound. But in Korean, we use both R and L or somewhere in between for 리을. And then the next one is 미음. 미음. It looks like a mouth. So remember the M sound. The next one is 비읍. 비읍. It looks like a bucket. So remember the B sound. Next one is 시옷. 시옷. It looks like a skirt. So remember the S sound. Next one is 이응. 이응. This one looks like 0 and actually indicates there is nothing. So this is called a silence consonant. Next one is 지읒. 지읒. It looks like a J with a little tail. So remember the J sound. Then 치읓. 치읓. It looks like a cheerleader. So remember the CH sound. And next is 키읔. 키읔. It looks like a gun, but this one has a trigger, so you could kill someone. So remember the K sound. Next one is 티읕. 티읕. It looks like a trident. So remember the T sound. Next one is 피읍. 피읍. It looks like a palette. So remember the P sound. The last one is 히읗. 히읗. Looks like a hole. So remember the H sound. We're done with the consonant. Let's move on to the vowels. There are 10 basic vowels in Korean. First one is E. E. It looks like a tree. So remember the E sound. Then there's a line outside of the tree. So remember the A sound because it's outside. Then add one more line, making double lines. Sounds ya. So put Y in front of A. So remember, when we have double lines, it comes with Y sound. And there's a line inside of tree, and it sounds O. O. And add one more line, sounds yo. Because it's double lines, we add Y in front of O. So it's gonna be yo, yo. Then this is and then the next one looks like a line is added over the So over the O sound. O. The next is, it has double lines. Remember, when we have double lines, it sounds Y. So it's gonna be yo. We put Y in front of O. So it's gonna be yo. And the next vowel is oo. Oo. Looks like thumbs down. So it's like ooh, ooh sound. Then the next one has double lines. Remember the double lines Y sound? So put Y in front of ooh, it's gonna be you. You. That's pretty much it. Great job. Let's read and figure out who this is. The first consonant looks like a J with a little tail, so it sounds like J. And then the vowel looks like a tree, so it sounds like E. And then the second consonant looks like a skirt, so it sounds like S. And then this one is oo. Remember the thumbs down, oo sound? So put them together, it's Jisoo. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe, like, and learn button so that you can watch my other videos like this and everything else about Korea. Then I'll see you guys next time. Bye!